Good morning, friends. It is a Monday and it is, let me see, 8:42 in the morning. I have just gone out with Guy with she did a little bit of a walk. She didn't want to walk far, but I am heading to the gym today and I am using my Insta 360 Ultra Insta 360 Go, and I am still trying to figure this out, especially when using the little camera. I need a couple of accessories to be able to use it. But before I forget, I wanted to say today is Memorial Day and I am remembering the brave men and women who have sacrificed their lives for our freedom and especially their family. It is not a happy time because I understand that those family are still or have dealt with the pain of losing a loved ones, and I am very thankful and grateful for them, and I am remembering them today and always. So I am gonna get my workout done. Gonna be doing some full body workout as my maintenance day. I'm gonna get my stuff together, and I do need a selfie stick with this because it is actually more fun to have a selfie stick with I can actually create a sit down a little bit of a comparison. I have a GoPro Hero 11. It's a little older, but it still does what I want it to do pretty much, and it's very good with car stuff because I have the accessories. I got the accessories for that, and I do need to get accessories for this, and I'm excited to actually bring this camera with me, especially when we're traveling, running, and doing a lot of things. So I'm very excited about that. I don't know if I'm actually going to use this to go work out because the battery is kind of low, but I'm going to use my GoPro and mix it up for the outdoor stuff. It's a bit of a gloomy day. We've been having rain for about a week now. I would say a week now, and it's gloomy, and I haven't been outside. I haven't been walking outside. I cannot wait for some sun. My goodness, it's already almost end of May, and now we're having a lot of rain. I know it's still spring, but I need some sun because I would love to be able to walk outside than going to the gym. I prefer going outside. I can work out at home anyway, but I still need to do some type of walking. I wanted to do that daily, but with this weather, it looks like Seattle. I actually still feel like I need a little bit more oomph, like energy. I might have to go and stop at Starbucks because I need a little bit more oomph. So I think I'm gonna do that now. We got a latte. Yeah, your girl needs a little bit more oomph today. I think it's this weather. It just doesn't give me energy. This is how you know you're getting old. You're old and you want to be in a place where it's warm. Well, I don't know if that's everybody, but that's me. Ever since I've hit my 40s, ugh, things affect me so much more now than it did before. And I can really, really, really tell the difference of then and now. Oh man. So I'm caffeinating, which is not good, but that's why I only got a tall one because I don't want to do it too much. Cheers. This is a non-fat iced vanilla latte, so it doesn't not much sugar for me, which is good. Whew. Workout is done. It's roasty in here. It's cold inside the gym, which is bananas. So I just did a full body workout and now I feel better. I was tempted to do more cardio, but tomorrow I'm gonna do some cardio anyway, so I'm not doing any cardio today. I'm gonna go home and then get ready to do some work. Whew, that's a good workout. See you at home. All right, we's are back home. Gonna get comfortable. I am going to be baking some sweet treats before I go and sit upstairs. It is actually nice out. I might do a little bit of tanning if it doesn't rain. Get dressed and wear something comfy. Baby, big boy, baby, I'm a big baby, I'm a big baby. Oh, you like the baby rub, yes, you did the baby rub. Oh my goodness, she's a big baby. I know. Hey girl, you wanna go shy? Come on, let's go shy. Come on. I know. Let me drink my coffee. Okay. Okay. This is what I'm going to be making. This is the Girardelli Caramel Walnut Turtle Brownie Mix. I'm excited to make that. I'm going to make the brownie, not the cupcakes, because it's so much easier to put together. Alright, she's a little crooked because I don't have the selfie stick, but that's what we're gonna go with right now. I'm just adding the water, the oil, and the egg together. I love the Insta 360 Go, but the only issue is if you're recording and you want to do POVs, you want to do hands-free, you want to do like sticking it to the wall, it's a lot of removing it off this actual case and then putting it back on and then putting the necklace on. It's a bit of a work. That's the only issue that I have with this. But the benefit is, or the cons about it is, yes, you can do a lot of things with this, and the lighting is great for the indoors because my GoPro Hero is not great for indoors, but it's just, yeah, a lot of taking it off, putting it back in. That is my only issue with it. And I think I've just charged the battery of this one and I have to do it again. So that is what she looks like. Let me get some spatula. I like how easy it is to make this little dessert. I'm gonna put that. Okay. Look at that. All right. While I'm waiting for that thing to bake, I'm gonna fold up some of my laundry. Let's do about this much. It is done. Oh, look at that caramel all over that thing. Yummy. That'd be a good dessert for later. Oh, I cannot wait to try it. I cannot resist, so, oh, look at that. It's still gooey. And I have got... Still hot, so I just gotta be careful. But that caramel, though. Mmm. Yum. Okie dokie. I have just vacuumed the rooms. Hi, girl. I have just vacuumed the room, my office, and now I can finally sit and do some work because I didn't want to eat and then sit down and do some work for a few hours. So it is best to move your body a little bit before you go and do some work. Did you want to go downstairs? You want to go outside? Let's go outside, girl. Come on, let's go. She's a lot of beans. Yes. Yes. I'm done, guy.